Okay, we're out here with the pigs. Our chickens have a free range day today. They're having so much fun. And Clarence is very interested in Clarabelle today. The Morrises may be getting piglets soon. Here we go. Chicken scratching in the old garden. Having a free range day. Oh yeah, this makes my heart happy. We had to mow over there, so we took the fence down. Looks like we might be getting some rain. So I gotta get busy and get that coop clean. Today's the day we rake up all these wood chips that have been in here in the chicken run for a very long time. And these chips are going on the old garden out there. Oh yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Look, we have a cat chicken. Leroy's exploring the coop. He's so funny. As I dig into this pile that's been here for a year and a half deep bedded, I'm hitting some awesome soil. Let's see if I can show you. Beautiful soil that it's decomposed into. And I'll put that on the bed. Okay, just a little bit more to go and I'm done. That rich, beautiful soil. It's awesome. It's so healthy looking. All right, my last load of wood chips. And the boss arrived just in time because that is very heavy. I've got the chicken run done. It's all raked out. We're gonna take this and put it out there and give them some fresh wood chips in there. Okay, we're gonna lay the fresh wood chips down on the floor and then we will start this all over again with the deep mulch bedding. And then when it's time, we'll put it out in the run. And next year, we will put that on our garden expansion because it will have cured for close enough to a year. So what we're doing. Just see if I can show you. I just throw it on the floor. And then when I get enough out, I'll dump it out and spread it out more. So there you go. Chickens have new bedding in their coop. I have the old bedding in the run, so it can break down and become wonderful compost and mulch for our garden expansion next year. And then we will take the compost on our pile and add that to it. And hopefully we'll have another wonderful, wonderful year of gardening. Y'all, talk to you later. See you in a little bit. Alrighty. New chips in their boxes. They'll knock them out. New chips on the floor. Old chips on the run. There we go. Okay, we've got the dirt spread out on the old garden and the wood chips. And it looks great. So we're supposed to get rain and it'll, this will go down a little bit and then we're gonna cover it with the tarp for the winter time. And we're gonna carry that same amount over here. Look at the brownies. They're eating ground cherries over there. They like the ground cherries falling from the plant. So y'all, get your spring garden going now. Do it now. Get it ready. If you have wood chips from your chicken run, use them. Cover it up and let it do its magic. Our chickens have been doing their job. They've been scratching on the pile. And now we have this pile or wheelbarrow full, and I have to get that spread out. Y'all be blessed. Love well. Bye now.